Hello everyone. In today's English learning, we are here with the new concept of conducting dictation. As you have already learned 3-letter words with sound of A, with the help of sounds, you are well aware that how to blend the 3 sounds together in CVC words and say the word. So now it's time for you to identify those sounds and write the words correctly on the given numbers. Here we are with the specimen of conducting dictation. You are supposed to write date, dictation on top as a heading, sound of A, because we are taking up sound of A words, CVC words, and numberings are given from 1 to 10 like this. So you are supposed to appear in the test, dictation test. I'll be speaking words with the help of sounds, and you are to identify each and every sound and make the word correctly and write it in a correct way. So the first word over here at number 1 is, you are supposed to start from here. The word number 1 is can. K-A-N. Can. K-A-N. Can. Okay, number 2 is hat. H-A-T. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Number 3 is map. M-A-P. Map. M-A-P. Map. At number 4, you are to write T-A-G. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Remember children, the last sound is G. So you are supposed to write tag. Number 5, we have F-R. Far. Far. Number 6, wall. W-all. Wall. W-all. Wall. Number 7, you are to write van. V-A-N. V-A-N. Van. At number 8, you are supposed to write R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. At number 9, it's G-A-P. Gap. G-A-P. Gap. At number 10, it is sag. S-A-G. Sag. S-A-G. Sag. If you are left with any words out of these 10 words, you can pause the video and repeat the words again and listen to the sounds to write the words correctly. So, you are supposed to appear in the dictation test very fairly, listen to the sounds correctly, and apply the sounds correctly in CVC words. Remember children, the first will be consonant and vowel A, and at the end will be consonant again. So these are CVC words you are supposed to write in order. Do the test very fairly children. Thank you.